Hello, everyone, and welcome to another trade with a day trader survivor. The market is just about to start, and again, I remind you, we are not trading the first two candles. Basically, an indicator of where the trade will go or the stock will move. Now, we want to see the support of the movement that started in the pre-market, which is really important for us. But again, the first two candles will usually just be an indicator. Okay, CGC is looking good if it's going to crash down to 46, even a bit lower. That will be a good reversal. Okay, we just reached that point. Great. So around 46.50, I want to get my entrance. Okay, let's see if it can do that. If it can jump back and to new highs. Okay, we're going to let it run. Okay, STNE is looking great. Now I want to go around the 28, so 28.20 will be an entrance. 29 will be the stop. Okay, so that's kind of where we're standing, and we want to see one of them actually enter. Yeah, CGC is just broke the pattern, so I don't know where it's going now. We will see maybe later. Again, over the 29 we want to exit. Okay, we just entered, so good. Yeah, I just saw that I entered with the wrong amount, so I should have entered around 150 shares. I entered with 200, so it's a bigger risk that I wanted. It is what it is. So this stock is a little jumpy, as I can see. I don't want to let it run too much, so 29 will be my stop. Pretty ready the command. I didn't submit it yet, but yeah, I'm just about to. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to submit the command now, and if it's going out, okay, we just exit. Okay, I for some reason I didn't enter the full size, which can be painful. So I just set up a stop to the second part, second half. Okay, just leaving out it doesn't make any sense. Okay, we still have a shot to give to the stock, and we will do that. You can see that it's looking like it's creating some kind of reversal on the 29, which is good for us. And if you didn't took the first half, would be amazing. It might be just a test up before it's crashing the 29. I try to enter more stocks because of the day trading pattern. I cannot, so we'll run with what we have. You can see that right now we already have 83.6 realized. Okay, so I decide to remove my partial one and set up the partial two only. So if you're getting the partial two, I want to take partial. If not, we're just going to move the stops as the stock showing us. Okay, so it's really important to know that you need to play with two fields in the same time. One is the stop, and the second one is the partial. Now I did a mistake. I will let the stock the option to correct me. I don't know if it's going to happen or not. I already accepted that I'm going to lose 160 bucks, which is more than I wanted to risk. Okay, so I'm trying to risk 100 bucks. 160, it's a bit too much, but it is what it is again. And we're going to let the market decide what is going to happen now. You can see that it's creating some kind of resistance on the 28, which just broke. It's good if it's creating that. Okay. Now we see a new support on the 2750. We want to see that support break down and becoming a resistance. So a bit more. So I will leave the computer now, let it run, see what's going on, and let's hope for the best. Okay, so that's about that time. Okay, so I just returned to the computer, and guys, we actually reached the second partial. So right now we have 19 bucks realized. Okay, and we're going to set up a new stop. Will be on the 2750, and from now on we're going to jump. We're not going to sit near the computer. We're going to review the session every few minutes. So yeah, we have a new one on the 27. I just change it. Okay, so 27 will be the new stop. 130, it's got a huge crash, which is great for us. I'm going to move the stop again. It's going to be 25.80. Now, we hope that stop will never reach, and that stop will move to the day after. So, never know, that's kind of the hope. If it does, usually it means that the day after it's going to crash even more. So, we actually reached the point that the day has ended. We're going to review that now. You can see that we pulled out from our stops. We got a huge jump up. We still made 134. Now, just a quick reminder: we had two huge mistakes. First of all, we entered with the wrong number of shares. The second one was we only took half of it out. So originally, if we didn't any mistake, we should have done trade with $100 lost. Instead, we did 134 buck profit, which is huge. Keep it safe, guys. See you next time and subscribe. Thank you.